We are at 139 Beacon Street and we're going to take a look at apartment 5. And this is the staircase that takes you into the unit. Beautiful detail. Very high ceilings. The studio is on the second floor. So it's only one flight of stairs up, so right there is already where the entrance is. So you go up the steps and into the apartment. It's a very large studio with all hardwood floors. And you can see the gorgeous detail throughout the apartment. It's a front-facing unit overlooking Beacon Street. And the fireplace is decorative. And there is a lot of furniture and additional separation that the tenant created, but you can really open it up or section it off some more. So there's definitely a lot of options that you can do in here. And you have great views of Beacon Street here. There is this closet in the apartment, so you can also put things on top probably. There's space to hang things inside. And then this way is the kitchen. So you have the fridge right over there, microwave, full-size appliances, and you even have a dishwasher. And more counter space here. So it feels a little tight right now just because there's a lot of stuff here, but there's definitely a lot of room to cook. And the bathroom is right this way. And it's a tub with a shower. And of course you have the sink, medicine cabinet, and we'll just turn around and walk back out. So there's the kitchen again from this side. And we're back in the living space. And I will also back up a little bit, and you can see that the front door, not the front door, the door to the apartment is very, very large. It's a double door that can open up. So you can definitely bring in larger pieces of furniture here. And then I'll walk down one flight just so I can show the front door. That way is where the laundry is if you don't go down the stairs. And this is entrance into the building. 2 front doors, mailboxes are right here. We're at 139 Beacon Street. It's a beautiful one-way residential street. Beacon Hill is that way, along with Boston Commons, so next street that way is Arlington. And that intersection is Berkeley. So as you walk into the building, we're going to take a look at the common areas. As you walk in, there are mailboxes on the left. There are also the buzzer right there. Buzzers. And then as you walk in, there are a couple of apartments on this floor. And the staircase takes you to the apartments upstairs. And we're just going to take a quick look at the laundry. So the laundry is in the basement. It's one flight of stairs down. And here it is. You have trash and recycling here and a washer and a dryer, which is quite standard for the size building in the area.